In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zoho Books subscription with this full 2025 guide. This process is straightforward and should take just a few minutes of your time. So, let's dive right in and get you started on this journey. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where all your accounts and subscriptions are neatly laid out for you. It's essentially a hub of all your financial activity. If you're not already familiar with the dashboard, take a moment to glance over it and get comfortable. Knowing your way around this area can make navigating your account much easier in the future. Now, once you're on the dashboard, you'll need to look toward the settings. It might be represented by an icon or a link. This is your gateway to managing the more intricate details of your account. When you spot it, go ahead and click on it to reveal more options. Following that, you're going to see a section labeled Manage Subscription. This is the key area where you can handle your subscription details, including making changes, updates, or cancellations. Click on Manage Subscription to proceed further into this process. Once you're inside the subscription management area, your next step is to find the highlighted section specifically marked to guide you seamlessly through the process. Clicking on this will steer you further into your subscription management journey. At this point, you should navigate to the Subscribe to Zoho Books in 4 Easy Steps section. Now, although it might seem a bit misleading since you're here to cancel, this section will actually let you go through the necessary steps to adjust or end your subscription. Select this link to access a detailed view of all your plan options. It's quite comprehensive, designed to help you make informed decisions. When you reach this section, take some time to carefully review the options provided. The page will prompt necessary steps to alter your existing plan, whether that means cancellation, pausing your subscription, or potentially upgrading to a different type of plan altogether. You'll find the cancellation option listed under these alternatives. It's crucial to read through any details presented to understand what ending or altering your subscription entails, including any implications on your account data or service-related consequences. Finally, to wrap things up, ensure that you've completed all the steps and confirmed your cancellation. Double-check everything to make sure all details are correct. After confirming, keep an eye out for a confirmation message or email that should follow, indicating that the cancellation has been processed successfully. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide was helpful in walking you through canceling your Zoho Books subscription. Remember to watch for any confirmation messages that arrive, just to ensure everything went through smoothly. Feel free to revisit these steps if you ever need a quick refresh on the process. Until next time, stay organized and take care.